2026 Mustang Motorhome, a wild freedom meets modern muscle. The 2026 Mustang Motorhome channels the spirit of the American pony car into an adventure-ready luxury home on wheels. For travelers who love bold styling, performance, and freedom, it's the perfect companion. The exterior exudes Mustang DNA, sculpted lines, tri-bar LED headlights, an aggressive grille, and racing stripes stretching the length of its sleek body. Aerodynamic tweaks and wide fenders give it a road-hugging stance even when parked. Under the hood is a hybrid 5.0 liters V8 paired with electric motors for thrilling power and better efficiency. Independent suspension and a performance AWD system ensure precise control whether cruising or climbing. Inside, it features premium leather, brushed aluminum, and sport-inspired touches. The cockpit boasts a digital dash, performance data display, and eye-assisted navigation. Living space highlights include lounge with racing-themed furniture, OLED display, and dynamic lighting. Kitchen with induction cooktop, espresso station, and built-in wine rack. Master suite with king bed, panoramic roof, and immersive audio. Bathroom with rainfall shower, heated floors, and metallic finishes. Smart tech like gesture controls, biometric locks, solar panels, and connected home systems make life easy. Outdoor BBQ, retractable awning, and generous storage complete the Mustang's wild yet refined appeal. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a speed luxury, redefined. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome fuses Italian racing heritage with modern luxury for a unique travel experience. This isn't just transportation, it's a Ferrari lifestyle on wheels. Its exterior dazzles with iconic curves, a bold grille, carbon fiber panels, and signature Rosso Casa paint. Laser lights, active aero, and low-slung proportions give it unmistakable presence. A hybrid V12 and twin electric motors deliver breathtaking performance. Ferrari's advanced suspension and smart traction system keep things sharp and safe at any pace. Inside, Alcantara, stitched leather, carbon trims, and crystal accents set a luxurious mood. The driver's area has a wraparound display, iCo-pilot, and configurable drive modes. Living quarters feature lounge with OLED screen, dramatic lighting, and vibrant DA copyright core. Kitchen with gourmet setup, espresso bar, and wine chiller. Master suite with king bed, smart glass walls, and surround sound. Spa bathroom with marble shower, heated floors, and gold fixtures. Cutting-edge tech, solar power, biometric access, and outdoor amenities embody Ferrari's passion and elegance. 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a Scandinavian design meets sustainable travel. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is designed for eco-conscious adventurers who appreciate simplicity, safety, and sustainability. It's where Swedish elegance meets functional luxury. The exterior features clean lines, Thor's hammer headlights, matte finishes, and subtle chrome accents. A reinforced body and high ground clearance ensure capability without compromising aesthetics. Powered by an all-electric drivetrain paired with solar panels and battery storage, it delivers silent, efficient performance. Volvo's safety systems and adaptive air suspension keep the journey secure and smooth. Inside, lightwood, wool fabrics, recycled materials, and minimalist styling create a serene atmosphere. The cockpit offers an intuitive digital interface, autopilot mode, and advanced driver aids. Living space includes lounge with modular seating, warm lighting, and hidden storage. Kitchen with induction cooktop, smart fridge, and espresso maker. Bedroom with memory foam bed, skylight, and calming tones. Bathroom with rainfall shower, heated tiles, and clean lines. Technology like voice commands, air purification, and smart climate zones pair perfectly with practical outdoor options, all wrapped in Volvo's responsible luxury. 2026 Bugatti Motorhome adds the apex of luxury performance. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome delivers hypercar extravagance in a spacious, rolling mansion. For those who demand the ultimate blend of speed, exclusivity, and refinement, this is it. On the outside, it stuns with flowing lines, horseshoe grille, carbon fiber surfaces, and quad-LED headlights. Active aerodynamics and signature two-tone paint elevate its allure. Power comes from a hybrid W16 paired with electric assist, producing staggering power. Bugatti's intelligent suspension and all-wheel drive keep it composed at high speeds. Inside, high-grade leathers, polished metals, crystal accents, and bespoke details impress at every glance. The driver's zone offers a curved digital cluster, a co-pilot, and customizable dynamics. Living areas showcase lounge with bespoke furniture, OLED walls, and ambient glow. Gourmet kitchen with hidden appliances, espresso corner, and wine cellar. Master suite with king-size bed, mirrored ceiling, and surround audio. Spa bath with a rainfall shower, marble finishes, and gold hardware. With biometric access, smart integration, solar roof, and outdoor luxuries, the Bugatti Motorhome sets a new benchmark for luxury travel. 2026 Ford Motorhome, a built tough, built for you. The 2026 Ford Motorhome remains the go-to choice for explorers who need strength, reliability, and comfort. It balances rugged capability with modern convenience for every kind of journey. On the outside, it features a bold grille, muscular lines, LED lighting, and protective cladding. Its heavy-duty chassis and all-terrain tires handle rough roads effortlessly. Underneath is a 6.2 liters V8 hybrid delivering robust power with a smooth 10-speed automatic and smart fuel management. Inside, durability meets comfort, soft touch materials, clever storage, and practical layouts. The cockpit offers a wide display, eye assistant, and driving modes tailored for all conditions. Living spaces include lounge with convertible seating and smart lighting, kitchen with full appliances, coffee bar, and ample storage, bedroom with memory foam bed, USB ports, and ambient lighting, bathroom with shower, smart mirror, and heated floor. Solar power, 368 degrees cameras, climate zones, water filtration, and outdoor amenities round out the experience. The 2026 Ford Motorhome stays true to its roots, a tough yet inviting,